I wanna know if you heard. I'm thinking of one word. What makes a bird a bird? I'll ask a second time and then I'll ask a third. What makes a bird a bird? Are they scaly, slimy, feathered or furred? What makes a bird a bird? Feathers! Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Can you join in with me, please? And be my echo. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Now let's do it all together, okay? Here we go. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. How lucky we are to have all these beautiful birds singing especially for us these days. Can you name any of the birds? What are your favourites? The red robin? The blackbird? Do you recognize the song of a thrush? Do you have a hen? Do you have a pet hen? Perhaps you live on a farm. If you have a pet hen, well, that is a bird. Do you recognize the song and the sound of a woodpecker? Oh, that we would be so lucky to hear a woodpecker. So let's take some of the birds by name and we'll create a lovely rhythm pattern. You know what to do. Be my echo. Here we go. Yellow hammer, missile, thrush. Yellow hammer, missile, thrush. Red robin, hen. Red robin, hen. Yellow hammer, missile, thrush. Red robin, hen. thrush, red robin, hen. Siskin bird, woodpecker. Siskin bird, woodpecker. Blackbird, wren. Blackbird, wren. Siskin bird, woodpecker. Blackbird, wren. Siskin bird, woodpecker, blackbird, wren. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Yellow hammer, missel thrush, red robin, hen. Siskin bird, woodpecker, blackbird, wren. Yellow hammer, missel thrush, red robin, hen. Siskin bird, woodpecker, blackbird, wren. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Are you ready? Let's put it all together. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Sitting in my garden, happy as can be, listening to these little birds singing for me. Yellow hammer, missel thrush, red robin, hen. Siskin bird, woodpecker, blackbird, wren. Yellow hammer, missel thrush, red robin, hen. Siskin bird, woodpecker, blackbird, wren. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Chirpy, 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 tweet, 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 chirp, chirp, twiddle-dee-dee. Thank you, everybody. That was wonderful singing and chanting. Next week, we're going to continue to explore the sounds of the birds. So in the coming week, I'm wondering if you would go out into your garden and listen really, really intently to the sounds of the birds. Perhaps you could go out into the fields or the woods when you're out on your walk and really listen intently to the sounds that their birds are making and see if you can recreate the sound that they are making. Let me give you a few little examples. Chicky, 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 chicky. I look forward to you sharing what you have discovered and the sounds that you can make. Don't forget to share them with us here at Music Generation. The email address is coming up on the bottom of your screen. And so until next week, toodaloo everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.